Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings in the world of bone broths, the Kitchen Basics Original Beef Bone Broth. Whether you're a seasoned bone broth enthusiast or looking to explore the benefits of this nutrient-rich elixir, this review is for you. Kitchen Basics has crafted a standout with their original beef bone broth. It's made from high-quality ingredients like beef broth, mirepoix, carrot, onion, celery, and a blend of spices and herbs, ensuring a rich and savory taste that's both comforting and versatile. Now, let's discuss how you can incorporate this into your daily routine. As a hot beverage, heat it gently and sip it like tea for a warm and comforting experience. In cooking, use it as a base for your favorite recipes, enhancing the depth of flavor effortlessly. The taste? It's savory, with a hint of herbs and a satisfying richness that's hard to beat. Whether you're drinking it on a chilly day or using it in a hearty beef stew, it delivers. To wrap it up, the Kitchen Basics Original Beef Bone Broth is a must-try for anyone looking to elevate their culinary creations or simply seeking a wholesome, nutritious addition to their diet. With its impeccable flavor profile and health benefits, it's easy to see why it's a favorite among bone broth aficionados. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you've tried this broth or have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this one. Until next time, stay healthy and happy cooking.